Hey guys, welcome back to another Ignis quick tips. Today we're going to be looking at good workflow and using templates. FL Studio is packed with many features in order to make your workflow better, including templates. Starting with the file you actually work from, there is a great set of templates available. All you need to do is click File, New from Template, and select whichever style of music that you're currently working with. It has bags of features in order to be able to set up different types of templates according to the style of music that you make. More powerful yet is the ability to make your own. Just set up a file the way you want, then click File, Save, and then go ahead and save it into your image line FL Studio template section. Now you can go ahead and just load that every time you want. As an added bonus, you can go to your General Settings tab, and then in your General Settings in the bottom right hand corner you can set this template to load as the default template as FL loads. Hope that helps guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.